Today we're featuring a 2014 Chevrolet Malibu LT. It's got 48,000 miles on it. It's ashen gray metallic in color. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, it's got the xenon headlights, turn signals in the side mirrors, alloy wheels. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything is in really good shape on the exterior of this Malibu. All right, everything looks really good. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the black on black door panels. Nice wood grain trim here. Power locks, power windows. Go ahead and get this out of here. All right, got the black cloth seats, inserts, leather trim. It is a power driver's seat. Driver's seat's in really good shape. It does have a keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat's in really good shape as well. Nice wood grain trim around the transmission. It's an automatic. There's your climate control area, CD player, AM FM backup camera display there, and I'll show you that in a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And your cruise control buttons over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at your mileage. Okay, we got 48,812 miles. Now that we've got it started, I'll get back over here to the display screen. We'll go back to your home screen. All right, you got your XM, now playing, phone, AM, FM. A couple of different things you can pick from here. All right, it is equipped with backup camera. Okay, and then a really cool thing about this display screen, you click that button there. All right, it does open up and give you some storage. Okay, and you just simply close it. All right, AC's been on for about 5 minutes. Everything blowing nice and cold there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat and check out your trunk space. Back seat's in good shape. Got the nice cloth insert there. The leather trim. Seats are well taken care of. Carpet's in good shape as well. All right, then we'll pull this down. It is the cup holders there. The little center console storage. Give you the driver's eye view of the vehicle. The layout of the dash. Really nice Malibu, 48,000 miles on it, and it is a 2014, so it's been well taken care of. Check out the trunk, nice and clean in there, plenty of storage space. All right, let's check out your wheels and tires. Let's see what we got here. We got 17-inch alloys. Tires are in good shape, plenty of tread lift on them. All right, once again, guys, the 2014 Chevrolet Malibu LT, 48,000 miles on it. It's ashen gray metallic. It's in really good shape inside and out. So come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.